metal, and this is the silver, this is the stone. I make how to make this to this. You can watch how I make it to the mark, because I need for this part little bit flat with fitting stone, and then to make fitting you see like a stone is good fitting, and then I hole make it inside cutting, and then